So my newest collection. My newest item for my collection. Oh, has JR Rex the box. So there's some extra parts in here. Here's my light kit for my Bronco. I already undid the clips. Look at the four wheel steering. Look at this flex. All right. Bigger extra battery. Oh, everything's taped. That's good. They come with a 300 milliamp in it. Yeah, 300 milliamp. And we got a whole load more parts in there. All my parts finally came. They put them in the box. Wonder what the receiver looks like for this, because they use the same one in the Spectrum. That means I can hook my Rugged to this one if I want to, the Rugged 5. All right, so I have low gear set. I never ordered a charger, but we got a charger. Oh, that came with it, silly jar. Got lossy clips for my lossy, because I hate the things that are on it. More low gear sets. Servo. Metal gears for the servo. This is the aluminum horn for my Arma Notorious, and this is the servo housing, because it flops around like crazy. I'm so excited that, like, look at the twist. Look at. This is so crazy. I can't wait to use it now. The motor is actually nice and torquey. I already have the Enjoyer coming. I do want to find a way to tighten up the body for sure, because that's stock. Look a bunch other than the chassis bending all over the place, that's cool. Well, not the chassis, but the body. Yeah, and then I just have to hit B mode. Oh no, A mode. A mode. And locks the back. I hit the B mode. Supposedly you could do crab steering, but I only see A and B, so I'm gonna have to read the book.